Hello, Karen Pesca with ERA Westwind Real Estate. Nick Cracklisi and I have a listing in Mtn Home we wanted to discuss with you at 665 Southwest Minor Street. It's in the Silverstone Subdivision and it's built in 2014 on a large lot. This home just shows pride of ownership. It's like a model home. It's like you're moving into a new home. They've taken such great care of it from the inside out. You have light neutral colors on the inside and on the outside as well. The kitchen has a breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, and a corner pantry, and the refrigerator is included. The plantation shutters are on the sliding glass door, which leads to the exterior of the backyard. And in each bedroom, you have walk-in closets, and in the bedrooms, you have ceiling fans. The master has dual sinks, and you even have space in between the two sinks. Plus, you have a walk-in closet and a separate tub shower. The large lot is fully fenced and has sprinklers front and back, as well as concrete curbing. The washer and dryer are also included in this home, which is a plus because that's personal property and is typically excluded. So you would not need to purchase or bring a washer and dryer with you. The other positive to this home is the laundry room. The laundry room is big and it's upstairs. So many builders put a laundry room on the main floor and either just one bedroom on the main or 0 bedrooms on the main, and you're lugging laundry back and forth all day long. So the positive is the bedrooms are up, and so is the laundry room. So this home again was built in 2014, shows like new, and the landscaping and interior are just impeccably kept. So if you have any questions, 5 bedroom, 3 bath, 3 car garage, 3,190 square foot in the Silverstone Subdivision on 0.22 of lot size and built in 2014. You're near the Air Force Base. You have easy access to downtown, eateries, shopping, as well as easy access to the freeway. If you need to run to Twin Falls or Boise, you're close, easy access to that as well. Boise is 45 minutes about roughly from Silverstone Subdivision, and you're probably about 20 minutes to the base, 15-20 minutes. So if you have any questions, please give Nick Cracklisi at 208-866-7810 or Karen Pesca at 208-871-6436. And we both have our military relocation professional designation. We deal with a lot of the military in and out of Mtn Home and Gowan Field. So we would love to help you as well. 208-866-7810 or 208-871-6436. And we may have benefits for you also to be able to get money back after closing using a military program that we could offer. Anyway, thank you, and I hope you have a blessed week.